Alright, good morning traders. This is your free video update from Seasonal Swing Trader. Today is Thursday, June 14th, 2018. We're looking at the soybean futures market here before the 8:30 cash open. I want to see what we did yesterday after the USDA crop report. Notice that we've been experiencing weakness here in the bean complex. This is the November beans ZSX8. It was noted that commercial funds liquidated heavily after the report in conjunction with better than expected crop conditions for soybeans, which has been applying pressure. Now we're looking here at a daily chart to see what action we might be able to take here on a longer term time frame. Notice that we are not quite yet meeting our 1, 2, 3 bottom criteria. Typically on the daily chart we want to see at least a 52-week low before we start watching for a 1, 2, 3 bottom pattern. If we scrunch the chart back even further here, you notice that we would have to take out these lows from last June, which is around the 925 mark. Currently we're at 955. So we don't quite have a confirmed 1, 2, 3 bottom. However, if we look over here to this right side, this is a seasonal chart on soybeans. Notice that historically we bottom out around this time period, right around early to mid-June. We get a pop going into July before we have the ever reliable seasonal summer tops in the grain complex, where we would then want to flip to the short side. Beans are certainly under pressure. There could be more lows to make. Ideally, we would continue to make lows, set up a nice 1, 2, 3 pattern to get to the long side. But if we do see any kind of indication that we want to turn higher, such as a break of this trend line, we may want to establish a low risk play to the long side via call options. Let's take a look at what we've done historically during this time period in soybeans. Go to a long-term daily chart. Notice that last year at this time, right around here in June, you can see the date down here, we bottomed out, popped higher. We had the summer top in July before selling back off. We go to 2016, we had the same thing happen here right around the beginning of June. We popped higher all the way up to 12 cents, had a blow off top, fell down pretty hard, and then we look at here at 2015, the same thing here, right around June, we had a 1, 2, 3 pop higher. Right here around July 10th or so, we topped and then moved back down. So that's a play that we're looking at here. This can be done in soybean futures, symbol ZS, or the ETF SOYB. So that's what we're looking at Seasonal Swing Trader. We hope it helps, and we'll see you on the next update.